Hello there, Imef here, and I'm back with some more computer craft, and here I'm going to do the last part of my Algorythmics tutorial, and this will be dedicated to string manipulation. So what does this mean? I'm going to basically introduce you to three functions, and those three functions are the three essentials to actually manipulate some text. So let's do rm test first of all. There we go, and we can edit test. There we go. Have an empty file. So they are all those functions are in the string API. So you just have to type string dot then the name of the function. It will work just fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by declaring how about a few variables. So str1, which will take value of hello world. How about local str2, which will be equal to just hello. I'm not very original in names. And finally local str3 equal to foo. Okay, so that's three strings I have actually declared. So I take it you already know how. Well, I take it you already knew how to do that. Now for the important part. Let's start with the first function, which will be useful. And this function is well, it's getting the length of a string. So there are two ways to actually call the function. In fact, first one is string dot len, and then you type the name of the string, so str1 for example, 2, 3, and so on. And the other way is by typing str, or the name of the function, colon, and the name of the function you want to call, so len, and you don't put anything in arguments. So this, so I'll call it, and so let's do print of each of the lengths. So let's see. I prefer using the second notation I actually gave you guys, because it's actually a bit shorter, and well, usually I'm very lazy, so it makes things so easier for me, and probably easier for you too. And finally str3 colon, and then save, exit, and we can execute test, and we have 12, 5 and 3. So let's actually check that. I didn't check. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I was right actually. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's okay. 5 is, well, hello is 5 words, letters I mean, and foo is 3 letters. The program was right. Now let's talk about one other function. It's actually not in the string API. I'm sorry, I was right. I was wrong. It's concatenation, and there's a symbol for that, an operator. And let me show you very basically how it works. So str2, let's call that. And concatenation is basically when you stick two strings together. So let's do that. str3. So what this will do, it will display a message which is the concatenation of a second string. It will add a space and then add foo. So it will basically display hello space foo. Let's save this, exit, and test. Hello foo, just like I predicted, and you can do that with any variable you want. It will work. You can also actually add some numbers, where you can also concatenate some numbers. It works just the same, but I will not actually talk about that. And what I'm going to show you is the last function, which is, well, essential I suppose, which is string.sub. So it's like that, string.sub, and this is to actually get a substring from a string. There's the same notation which is the name of the function like that, str colon, and sub like that. And so for this notation you just have to type the starting position and the ending position of the substring. So how about let's do 3 and how about, no, not 4, 6. So basically it will take the third character, well, third character here, so it will be L start in 6, so 3, 4, 5, 6. It will display LLO space end of substring, and there we go. So save, exit, test, and as you can see LLO, you can't see the space just after, so let's go like that to 7. Dang it. There we go. Save, exit, and test. So it will say hello, and so yeah, this is basically the substring function, and those are the 3 essential functions in programming, like I said, and with those we can pretty much well, program anything you want. Well, at least to manipulate strings, not to do anything else, because those are actually the only 3 tools you need when it comes to actually programming some text manipulation functions. There's one function in Visual Basic in str like that. In str like that, and what this does is that it searches for a string inside of a string, and it will return the position of well, yes, it will return the position of a string inside the string. So I won't show you how to program that, but I know how to do it though. And how about you try and do that, because it could be quite interesting to do. You just need to use the 3 functions I gave you. I don't think you need the concatenation. I think you only need the length and the substring function. So yeah, I think that's all I'll be showing you today, and hope you enjoyed. If you did, please take the time to like, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate. And if you have any ideas, suggestions, any tutorials you might want me to do, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try and do what I can to actually, well, make your wishes come true. And since this is the end, I'll be saying goodbye and see you next time.